and I'll start sharing my screen. Yeah. So yes, hospitals.
सर नमस्कार.
नमस्कार योगेश, कसा आहेस?
बस मजेत सर. तुम्ही कसे आहात? कुठे आहे?
आता नाही, आपण नंतर बोलू फोनवर. सध्या फार पळापळ चालली. आता आपला पॉइंटला जाऊ, कारण हा एक ट्रेनिंगचा खूप भाग आहे. ऍडिशनली आपण काम करतोय. ओके,
नो प्रॉब्लेम, नो प्रॉब्लेम.
कारण आता हे सगळं रेकॉर्ड होतंय. सो आय वॉन्ट यू टू बी जस्ट लिसनिंग अँड आय स्पीक. इफ यू हॅव सम क्वेरीज, जस्ट लेट मी नो. थँक यू. Okay, so Shobhana has got one lead from Durgapur, Kolkata, where this established hospital wants someone to help them to strategizing and developing their business at next level. At the same time, they understand the value of establishing SOPs in their hospital. Now, establishing SOPs, असं नुसतं बोलणं, it's very easy, but it is one of the most tough job of the world. In the world, only 2% of the companies are following SOPs as written. So our job, when we say SOP, standard operating procedure, that means if I am writing something, it has to be followed 100%. But if it is not followed, then there should be someone who should find out what is not followed and why. If that is legible, then there should be a change request. So there should be a change in operating procedure, and accordingly things should move on. Ha jo concept hai, this concept is never been followed in 99% of the companies of the world. So we are the company, absolutely, at least in India, has come up with a very strong database, very strong knowledge from Dr. Mangesh, how to do this, how to strategize and develop the business. In any company, if we want to develop the business, the most important thing is either you are doing any production or you are giving service. Now hospitals are into service business. So though it is service, still whether it is manufacturing product or giving service, still patient satisfaction. So I'll say customer satisfaction. So for hospital, I'll come down to the point of patient satisfaction is the sole important aspect of developing the business. Now, as far as patient satisfaction is concerned, we have to focus on satisfying patient. Now, how we can satisfy the patient? See, if some patient is seeing an advertisement of Tata Hospital, it is highly unlikely. Unlikely manje impossible that he will see the advertisement of Tata Hospital and he will go to Tata Hospital next day. Highly impossible in hospital industry. In hospital industry, till next years in India, still things go on mouth publicity, which is a very crude approach of marketing. Mouth publicity. So if I have detected a cancer, then what I'll do? I'll not go online. I'll not go on Google. I'll not search top 10 oncology hospitals in India. No, next 10 years, it is never going to happen. What I'll do is I'll call my near and dear doctor friends or someone who knows doctors. I'll talk to that doctor. Now that doctor is saying, okay, you have this, you go here, I'll go there. But then through hospital perspective, ultimately my job is whichever patient comes to my hospital, I have to make him satisfied. How much percent? 100%. It cannot be 99. If you are 99.99, patient and relative will forget about hospital. Why? Patient, if you ask, how is this hospital? Patient will say, hospital is good, but the staff is not good. Hospital is good, doctor, surgeon is also good, but the bill is very high. But this but component comes when you are 99.99%. But if everybody in the hospital is doing their job perfectly, then that particular patient or relative become brand of the particular hospital. Now, how to make that hospital operations in such a way that right from security till discharge, everybody will do their job 100% perfect. Because if there is little flaws, patient will come up with, but my operation got late, but they have not given me the discount I was expecting, but they have told me that bill will be 30,000, but ultimately, but bill was 35,000. I have to pay 5,000 more. So we eliminate this but through our program known as Financial Catalyst or Biz Booster. So this is what is the program which you are seeing. You are seeing this screen. Please confirm. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lokesh, बघतोस ना? Fine.
हा बघतोय सर बघतोय.
Yeah. So what we do is at this point we are focusing on digital marketing. In digital marketing, what we do is we plan their calendar on which week, what date, what time we are going to publish what, blog, poster, teaser, questionnaire, video, whatever. We plan this for the whole year. At the same time, we also ensure that their website, if patient goes on, they have good speed. We optimize search engines. We utilize PPC, pay-per-click. We leverage social media, ask for reviews from patient. We take maximum reviews from patient. We also help the hospital to utilize the conventional media like radio, magazines, newspapers. We build doctor referrals into your marketing plans. We check in with your current patients. What is the number of current patients, from where they are coming, what is the maximum patients coming from which pin code. Accordingly, we target our camps, we target our get-togethers, and so many things. So everything is mentioned over here in digital marketing. Then we help them on sales, like strategy building, how to sell your concept, why your hospital is best. Simple sales strategy is nothing but you should ask yourself why the hell your hospital is best. Do you have any points? Do you have any priorities? Do you have any special things? Accordingly, we manage, but at the same time, we plan annual operating plan, how much money we have to spend on sales, operations, everything. So we are kind of a financial catalyst. This is very important. Based on finance, we plan, and whatever available resources we have, we ensure that they manage in a profitable manner. So all sales things are mentioned over here. If we go on, next point is your internal marketing. This is what we have special. Now you go on, you can ask your friend also who is into sales or marketing, hey, what is internal marketing? वो बोलेगा है ये तो गूगल पे भी नहीं है. You search on Google, you will not find anything on this. ये तो गूगल पे भी नहीं है. What is internal marketing? Internal marketing is nothing but managing the flow from security to discharge. And we are the king in managing this workflow. We have all the database, we have all the methods, we have all the protocols to establish the internal marketing in hospital within 3 months. And even in that 3 months, we go only for 12 days, 4 days a month. And we established a perfect internal marketing system in the hospital. By that, every patient will say that the hospital is best, full stop. He will not say but. So we eliminate but through internal marketing. But staff is not good. We make staff good. But my operation time is delayed. We make such protocols where operation is never delayed. But my bill was high. We make estimate management system in such a strong way that it always happens that ideally whatever amount we tell to patients, our bill is always lesser than that. So this is what is known as internal marketing, which is the biggest challenge, and it is very tough to establish this, but we can. Why? Because Dr. Mangesh has experience of national, international healthcare and establishing these workflows, which will focus on customer/patients. So you can go through this internal marketing, what we do, and that's what everything is. You can see now so huge list of internal marketing targets, so huge list. See, so huge list of internal marketing targets. You can always go through this, explain them by one. It is not very tough. And then based on this, what we have done is we have charges according to our targets. So these are the charges. Obviously, we can always revise these charges, but then as far as strategy and business development is concerned, our minimum charges are for 6 months, 6 lakhs rupees. For 6 months, 4 days a month, 6 lakh rupees. For 6 months, 4 days a month, for 6 lakh rupees. 4 days, 1 lakh rupees they have to pay us. Otherwise, we'll stop the next functioning and we'll hand over this case to our recovery team, where our recovery team will recover 1 lakh rupees from the particular client. Our risk is only 1 lakh rupees. First 4 days, we'll not charge anything. We'll finish the work and we'll ask them for money. There are only 2 situations. They'll pay us, they'll not pay us. Don't worry. If they'll not pay us, we'll divert this case to our recovery team. Our recovery team will go and recover the 1 lakh rupees. But then onwards, we will never, ever work for such hospitals. These hospitals will be blacklisted from the train horse directory. Fine. So this was about the financial catalyst. Nowadays, the organized, organized business development people, investors have started asking doctors or healthcare professionals, do you have SOPs? Because Yogesh kada paise, Yogesh has money. So Yogesh will ask the concerned hospital, Are, do you have SOPs? Show me the SOPs. I want to read the SOPs. So that problem has started coming up now, because not only the financial documents, but nowadays investors have started asking whether you have an established system, established quality management system, demonstrable quality management system. Now, what is demonstrable? Demonstrable is, sir, yes, we have standard operating procedures right from security to discharge. We are giving you the copies to read it out how we do it. आम्ही ते कसं करतो. So that's what was the requirement, and what we have done is very simple thing. Now, National Accreditation Board for Healthcare and Hospital and Healthcare Providers have already done that research. What exactly is required to be present in the hospital? So they have chapters, they have standards, they have expectations, and they have objective elements. So why we should do a reinvention again? So what we have done is, we have taken this skeleton, we have referred chapter, standard, expectation, objective element, but then what we have done is this: we have decided whether this particular compliance requires policy, SOP, manual, checklist, forms, formats. Now we have decided that, okay, for particular compliance, we need an SOP. So we have to implement the SOP. If they have capable people, they will implement on themselves. So charges of implementation will not be applicable. They just need our SOPs. No problem, sir. We will give you SOPs and these are our charges. If you want to implement these SOPs, now what are the challenges in implementing the SOPs? Challenges in implementing the SOPs is, we have to go to the hospital, we have to talk to relevant people, we have to train them on the developed SOP, we have to create the records, and we have to motivate them to follow the SOP. So these are the charges of implementation. So if we want to, if some hospital or some big hospital will ask us, okay, very good, do one thing, you do SOPs and even you implement the SOPs. What are the approximate charges of implementing all the SOPs in the hospital is sorry, you have to drag on. ₹8,75,500. We can establish these SOPs in 8 months. Again, 4 days a month for 8 months, ₹1,00,000 per month. If they want, no problem, you just give us SOPs. We will spend time in the hospital, we will analyze, we will develop the SOPs specific to that hospital or healthcare environment, and we'll take, this is kind of, we'll give them a time. Okay, sir, in 1 month we'll give you all the SOPs. You implement. Understood? Implementation cost is 8 lakh and SOP cost is 5 lakhs. So 8 plus 5 is 13 lakhs rupees. So we'll charge them 5 lakhs rupees for only sharing the SOPs, which we will develop after visiting the hospital for 3 months, 4 days a month. 3 months, 4 days a month, and every month they have to pay us 1.5 lakhs rupees. Once we'll hand over the SOPs, they will have to pay us 50,000. If they'll not pay us that pending 50,000, we'll not give them SOPs. Or else it can be kind of 1.6 lakhs rupees. Every month we'll share the 30% part of the SOPs. That's fine. So this is what is the quality management system establishment drive run by TrainHouse for the first time in India for the hospitals. Yes, for non-healthcare companies like Big Bazaar, Reliance, malls, there are non-medico who are already doing this job to set the SOPs for these non-medical kind of things. Very unsafe. Matlab, there is no challenge of safety and all. Still, they are keen on establishing SOPs. Jewelers like Ashtekar Jewelers, your Pune Gadgir has already been managed by people like us, non-medico, who are doing SOPs. When client will come, what to do, what to talk, then what, then what, then what, then what, then what, then what. They are already doing it. The only thing which is very critical is hospitals have yet not started to understand the value of establishing the quality management system. So we are the leader. We are trying to, leverage our skills. We really want India to have good hospitals, and that's how we are trying on this. So this is kind of a product which is very, very excellent product which nobody has. We don't have any competition. Nobody can come close to us. Nobody can come close to us. So start talking on this. Start explaining this. Now I am going to upload this video on our training portal as well. Start ha video roz baga. Daily you should see this video. And ha video tumcha part व्हायला पाहिजे. Whenever you go to any client, start with this, sir, what TrainHouse is, what we are connected to. आम्ही कुणाचे partner आहोत, for which company we are working for. Why the hell I'm working for this company, sir? I'm mad about the ideas about this company, sir. ये NABL ये तो कर ही देते हैं सर, हम उसका टेंशन नहीं है, वो तो हमारा दाएं हाथ का मल है. बट इससे भी बढ़िया सोचो हम ये भी करते हैं सर, लेकिन इतना पैसा देना पड़ेगा. क्या है? क्वालिटी इज एक्सपेंसिव. क्वालिटी इज एक्सपेंसिव. You cannot buy a BMW car in 2 lakhs rupees, even second hand. Cannot. Even non-working BMW, you will never get less than 10 lakh rupees. That's what is quality, which we give. So this is what is the short but simple presentation about the lead received by Dr. Shobhana for a hospital in Kolkata, where they want. I appreciate this hospital, Shobhana, and being this is the first hospital, we must appreciate
Yes, sir.
the understanding on this, and we can always give a 50% discount on this. Let's bang on. Let's bang on. Tell them, sir, I appreciate you, sir.
You're right. You're right.
This is 13 lakhs. I'll do it in 5 lakhs, sir, for you. Just maintain just ensure our travel and stay. That's it. Rest is on us. Months we'll do everything for you. And until we demonstrate our function, don't pay us. But if you will not pay, then we'll stop the work and we'll recover the amount for which we have worked for you.
You're right. You're right.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
योगेश कसा आहे?
छान सर, मजेत.
अरे मजेत नाही यार, काय मजेत? तू काय, तुला कळलं का मी काय बोललो?
हो ना.
हा, हे जरा वेगळं आहे आणि ह्याचं तुझे टार्गेट हॉस्पिटल कुठले आहेत माहितीये का?
आहेत माझ्याकडे 2 हॉस्पिटल ओपनिंग नाही 3 महिन्यानंतर.
ओपनिंग वाले नाही आहेत तुझ्याकडे. औरंगाबाद मध्ये टॉप 5 हॉस्पिटल्स या प्रोडक्ट साठी टार्गेट आहेत.
बस सांगा ना.
हा, मग तू हा व्हिडिओ परत बघ.
हो.
अँड देन टॉक टू देम का सर माझ्याकडे असं आहे, डॉक्टर म्हणतात बघा म्हणा.
हो.
ओके.
यस सर.
या, सो I think this is fine. What I'm doing is now I'm stopping the share. Okay.
सर तो माझा कोट होता, कोट.
एक सेकंद आपण बोलतोय, फक्त शेअर स्टॉप करू दे मला. 1 सेकंड.